In this video, we welcome you to the Try Adapt Learn channel. In this channel, we're going to try to assemble a Ryobi electric pressure washer, Amazon tool cart, a HDL mower lift, troubleshoot a no crank, no start Kawasaki mower engine, replace the third brake light on a Chevrolet Silverado, replace a brake light on a Jeep, remove the cylinder head on a Ford 9N tractor, test compression on an 80-year-old engine, replace a broken laptop screen, convert from a belt drive to a chain drive on a Harley-Davidson, troubleshoot and fix a chainsaw, rewire and grease a vintage sewing machine, view inside and see how a starter solenoid works, explain and test Ohm's law, grow a pepper plant from seed to harvest and back to seed, test an electric wood chipper, test a gas wood chipper, change engine oil on lawnmowers, cars, trucks, and a tractor, change mower blades. As you'll see, we're going to try to accomplish different tasks including DIY, maintenance, and projects. You can adapt them to your own projects and hopefully we can all learn from each other or be entertained by the effort. Join us now and watch some of our videos. Thank you for watching.